In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a form, customize it for clarity and style, control who can submit, and share or embed it where your audience can find it. First, open a new page in Notion. To insert a form, type / followed by the word form or choose form from the Quick Start options at the bottom of the page. Notion will drop in a basic form template so you can begin shaping it to your needs right away. To build out your questions, click the plus button at the bottom of the form each time you click it. You add another question. Click directly into a question to rename it and choose its property type. You can make it text for short answers, date for scheduling or deadlines, multiple choice for standardized selections, or files and media if you want people to upload attachments. Pick the type that best matches the kind of response you want because it helps keep your database clean and your results easy to analyze. Hover over any question and open the three-dot menu to fine-tune how it works. Mark a question as required if you can't process a submission without that information. Add a description to give people extra guidance, like examples or formatting tips. You can also toggle sync with property name. Turn this off if you want the question's label to be friendlier or more descriptive than the underlying database column name, while still mapping submissions to the right place behind the scenes. Make your form visually clear and on brand by adding a form icon and a form cover image. Hover over the title area to set those. You can also change the submit button's color and text so it matches your tone, whether that's send, apply, or request. After submission, show a custom confirmation title and body to let people know what happens next, like expected response times or links to helpful resources. If you want to be alerted as soon as someone responds, enable email notifications so you don't miss a thing. When you are ready to collect responses, click the blue Share Form button in the top right. Choose who can access it, anyone on the web with the link for public submissions, anyone at your workspace for internal use, or set no access to pause or close submissions. Finally, you can copy the form link and paste it into any Notion page. Select Embed, and the live form will appear right there. Perfect for hubs, project pages, or team portals. That's it, your Notion form is ready to go. Thanks for watching.